In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use group tabs in Microsoft Edge. If you ever feel overwhelmed by a sea of open tabs, group tabs are a simple way to organize your browsing and keep related pages together. Let's walk through how to set them up and use them effectively. Start by creating your first group. In Microsoft Edge, right-click any open tab and choose Add Tab to a new group. This instantly places that tab into a new labeled area so you can begin organizing without closing anything. Next, give your group a name and a color. Pick something clear and memorable, like work or shopping, and select a color that stands out so you can spot it at a glance. The name helps you remember what's inside the group, and the color gives you a quick visual cue, especially when you have multiple groups open. Now, add more tabs to your group. The fastest way is to drag a tab directly into the group until you see it join the colored label. If you prefer, you can also right-click a tab and select the group name from the list. This is handy when you have many tabs and want to be precise. As you add tabs, keep them related to the group's purpose. It makes switching tasks smoother and cuts down on hunting for the right page. When your tab bar starts to feel crowded, collapse the group to save space. Just click the group name or the colored area to hide all the tabs inside it. Click again to expand and bring them back. Collapsing and expanding is great for decluttering your view without losing your place, and it helps you focus on one task at a time. If you need to reorganize later, you have flexible options. Right-click the group name to ungroup, close the group, or move the group to a new window. Choose Ungroup to keep every tab open but remove the group label. Choose Close Group if you are finished and want to close all tabs in that group at once. Just remember, this closes them all together. And if you want more screen space or a dedicated workspace, select Move Group to a new window to separate that set of tabs from everything else. With these simple steps, creating a group, naming and coloring it, adding tabs, collapsing to save space, and ungrouping, closing, or moving when you are done, you'll keep your browsing organized and your focus sharp. Thanks for watching.